Hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water. The Mona Lisa has no eyebrows and eyelashes. Mona Lisa once had both eyebrows and eyelashes. If you look closely at Mona Lisa's eye, you can clearly see that the cracks around the eye have slightly disappeared, and that may be explained that one day a curator or restorer cleaned the eye, and probably removed the eyelashes and eyebrow, he said. Mr. Cott said his study of the painting also revealed that Da Vinci originally painted Mona Lisa with a wider face and a more expressive smile than in the final work. The sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," uses every letter in the English alphabet. Let's check it out. The strongest muscle in the body is tongue. Open your mouth and look at your tongue. Your tongue can tell a lot about your health. Ants take rest for around 8 minutes in 12-hour period. Queen fire ants fall into relatively long, deep sleep for an average of 9 hours every day. By contrast, workers sleep just half as much and get to rest by taking hundreds of short power naps. This division of rest may help explain why queens live for years, while worker ants typically only live for months. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect themselves from the blowing desert sand. 2 of these eyelids have eyelashes which help protect their eyes from sand. The third is a very thin lid which works as sort of windshield wiper to clean off their eyes. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. There are 2 credit cards for every person in the United States. Typewriter is the longest word that can be made using the letters only on one row of the keyboard. Chocolate and cocoa products can kill dogs, as it contains theobromine, which affects their heart and nervous system. Women blink nearly twice as much as men. Older women blinked more frequently than younger women. You can't kill yourself by holding your breath. It is impossible to lick your elbow. The Guinness Book of Records holds the record for being the book most often stolen from public libraries. The sixth sheep sick is said to be the toughest tongue twister in the English language. If a statue of a person in the park on a horse has both front legs in the air, the person died in battle. If the horse has one front leg in the air, the person died as a result of wounds received in battle. If the horse has all 4 legs on the ground, the person died of natural causes. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. Polar bears use their left paw to do most things. Polar bears are not left-handed. It's a common misconception that polar bears use their left paw to do most things, but research has shown they use both equally. Polar bears have black skin and each hair is a hollow tube. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. Wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Most lipstick contains fish scales. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different.